A family vacation that caters to everyone's preferences and ages can be quite a challenge. Fear not, because we've got you covered with a collection of family-friendly vacation ideas that will bring joy to both the little ones and the young at heart. Step into a world of magic and wonder at Disney World, where fairy tales come alive and beloved characters roam the streets. Explore the iconic Cinderella Castle, enjoy thrilling rides, and witness enchanting parades and fireworks. Introduce your family to the wonders of the natural world at Yellowstone. Embark on guided tours, hike child-friendly trails, and spot bison, elk, and bears amidst geysers and hot springs. Relish the golden shores of San Diego's beaches and visit the renowned San Diego Zoo. Take a harbor tour, explore Balboa Park, and uncover the wonders of SeaWorld. Immerse your family in history and culture during a trip to London. Visit the British Museum, Buckingham Palace, and the Interactive Science Museum. These family-friendly vacation ideas offer a diverse range of experiences, ensuring that every family member, regardless of age, will create unforgettable moments together. Pack your bags, plan your adventure, get ready to create cherished memories that your family will treasure.